If you are planning to sell GoHighLevel services and selling websites and signing them up for a hosting fee where we can get monthly recurring revenue from hosting and with the SaaS services, but you might be worried about the churn rate. What if people cancel? And if people keep on canceling it, there's no way you're going to get more money. And in this video, I'm going to solve all of your problem, and I'm going to show you all the ways where we can keep our clients years to come. They will be keep on spending the $97, $297 to $497 for our website hosting and for the GoHighLevel SaaS features. So watch this video until the end. And just to quickly show you that it actually works, I'm not just saying this stuff. As you can see in my screen, this is one of the clients who are paying me $297. As you can see, December 17 and 59 items. So this is not, it didn't just start from December 17. And I got the last payment on July 17th. And as you can see, this is another client for 97 pounds. Same story, last payment on July 30th. And this is another client for $497 a month. As you can see, 2025. And we got the last payment on August 7th. And this is how I make $25,000 in monthly recurring revenue. All the clients I've got 3 years ago, they're still paying me right now. And this is the reason I don't really work too much. I probably do like 4 to 5 hours the entire week, because the work I put 3 years ago, it's still bringing me money. And that's why right now I'm traveling full time and enjoying my life. If a guy like me who was cleaning toilets 3 years ago, you can do this as well. So watch this video until the end. I will let you know what kind of services we are providing and how we are hooking them up for our services so that they keep on paying the monthly hosting fee. So this is the entire business model. I make use of this GoHighLevel's AI studio to build the websites, and it doesn't take more than a minute to build the websites for these clients. And after giving the website for free, I sign them up for a monthly hosting fees, ranging anywhere from $97, $297 to $497, just like you saw on the screen. And this is how I sell it. So the one-page website is free, and that costs them $97. And the 5-page website, $2,000 on setup fees, $300 on hosting fee. And the 10-page plus website, $3,000 on setup fees, and the $500 on hosting fee. And I'm not just selling the website for free. The one-page website is free, but the rest of it, I'm making more money on top of it. And this is how everything is done. And if you want to access to this software to build your own website or build your own business to provide services to other businesses, I have free trial, link is in the description. And if you use my free link, you will get access to all the benefits which we are going to talk by the end of this video. And if you already have GoHighLevel, and if you still want to have all the help from me to get more clients, you can just switch your affiliate under mine. If you want to know more about it, leave me a message on my Instagram. Also, link is in the description. But let's get back to the video. And this is what we're going to talk about: how to keep GoHighLevel clients paying forever. Fuck churn. And this is how we're going to do everything. First of all, we're going to set the expectation. Let's go here. So during the sales call and during the calls itself, you have to set a certain expectation. For us, we're just building websites and giving them up for a monthly recurring revenue, like a hosting fee. Let's say you're selling a one-page website, and this is what they will get. A one-page website, chatbot, on-page SEO, quick to load, interactive animation. So these are the stuff which is not so much. They're just going to get the website as they just have to pay the hosting fee, and they just get the website. And that should be their expectation. Yes, you can lie and try to sell your first few clients, even though it's going to churn out, because you're lying that, oh, you're going to get more customers, you're going to get more clients just by paying $97. It doesn't happen. Even if they're paying for ads, they have to test a lot of ad creatives, and the first month it's going to be they break even or they lose money. And if they don't even get ads or like clients while running ads, you shouldn't give them the hope that they're going to get more customers just by paying the $100 hosting fee. So this is the actual deck I use in my sales call, and you also get access to this inside the community, which we will be talking about in a minute. So this is the exact reason most of my clients stay with me for a long term. They keep on paying me the $97, $297 to $497. So let's say the 5-page website, you should let them know this is what you will get. And you shouldn't promise that they are going to get more customers. Yes, you should say, if I can give you more 5-star reviews with my Google My Review automation, don't you think you can get more customers? You're just letting them know there is a way I can improve your ranking so that you can get customers. You shouldn't promise that you will get customers. So that's different between both. So that's why we have everything in place. And I've been using this deck for past 3 years. It has been going great. If you want to get access to it, watch this video until the end. And that's why we have to set the expectation during the sales call by using the sales deck, which myself and all my coaching members and my affiliate members are using to close more clients. Next up, the mobile app. And this is the best with our GoHighLevel services. And let's say we have lots of other features. For example, we build AI websites. We have AI receptionist, calendar booking, conversation board. They can do invoices, and we can also send out review requests. And if we get the reviews inside the Google, we can also reply to these reviews by the AI. And all the, let's say, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Messenger, email, Google My Business page, WhatsApp, everything. All the platforms the business have, we connect this inside their mobile app, which they also get when they sign up with us. And it makes their life really easier. Instead of going to all the different platforms, instead of having different platforms for, let's say, invoicing, different platform for calendar booking, another platform for chatbot, and a different platform for the website. And when they have everything in the same place and everything comes up in a single mobile app where they can just go in and reply to everything and send out invoices and deal everything in a single place instead of taking their PC with them. Most of these businesses, for example, I'm working with roofers, plumbers, and landscapers. And these people are not tech savvy, and these people don't carry their PC with them. The only thing they have in their pocket is their phone. And that's how simple it is. We have everything in one place. We're just making their life easier, and we are saving them a lot of time and money. This is the reason they keep on paying us the money. We are making their life easier by saving them time and money. And instead of figuring out a new platform, and that's going to take them lots of time and energy to rebuild everything and learn everything. So once they're hooked with our system, there's no reason to get out of the system, because this system is keep on helping them to get more customers, get more reviews. They send out invoices, and they can reply all the messages and emails inside this mobile app. And this mobile app is connected with the GoHighLevel, and the GoHighLevel is connected with the website, and everything is interconnected. And once they stop paying for it, they will not get this access for their business, and they will start freaking out. And it happened to me a couple of times. People may think, oh, I'll just cancel now, I'll still keep on using everything on the back end. It doesn't happen. If you cancel the hosting fee, nothing works, including the website. The website goes down, the app stops working, and all the links stops working. And next up, during the onboarding call, we have to reset the expectation. We may have suggested that after giving all these benefits through our software and the website and the SEO, they may rank higher. But just because they're ranking higher doesn't mean that they're going to get a lot of clients. So we should let them know, unless you are doing one of these things, organic reach or paying for the ads. For example, if you're paying for the ads, there's no way in hell you're not going to get any leads, because that's what you're paying for. And organic, if you're making lots of organic content or Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, you can get lots of eyeballs. But we are only doing organic SEO. Only if someone is looking for it, we might show up on the list where we have lots of other competition. But while running ads, you are the only one. So you have to let them know why other competitions are getting more customers and clients instead of your own clients. And during this onboarding call, after getting paid, you have to make everything clear that they will rank higher above in the listing, but we need to do something else to increase the revenue and increase the lead flow inside the business. And that's where you can also upsell running ads. And even if you don't know how to run ads, just say yes and hire someone to run ads for these clients where you can get the difference. For example, if you're paying 300 or 500 for this guy to run the ads, you get to keep the extra 1,000 to 500 just by upselling your services. And you don't have to learn ads, but at the moment I am teaching my affiliate members and coaching members to run ads for their own services. For example, I used to do lots of cold calling and cold outreach to get clients, but now I don't have time because I'm outside most of the time. I want to enjoy my life. That's the reason I started this business and left the UK to move to Bali. So I started running ads, I started getting more clients, and I'm doing the same thing for my affiliate members and coaching members. And trust me, the skill of running ads will be helpful for not just for your own business. You can upsell your services to your clients where you can get 1,000 to 2,000 in a monthly recurring revenue basis just by running ads and bringing in more leads for your customers. So onboarding call, this is the third option to keep on let your customers keep on paying for your services. Next and most important thing most of the people miss out is check in on your customers. I mean your clients. Just because they have been with you for 3 years doesn't mean that you forget about them, and what if they just cancel with you out of nowhere. You kind of have to have this relationship with your clients. And my kind of relationship is that we're not just like business to business relationship. I kind of have a more friendly relationship with all of my clients, not just because I want them to keep on paying. That is the reason, but you genuinely have to be interested in their life, asking some questions, maybe once or twice a month. You don't have to do this every time. Just let them know that there's a guy behind the scene trying to help you. You're not just paying for the stuff just for the sake of paying for the stuff. I'm here helping you to get more customers, and the reason why you're ranking high is because of me. And you have to be in their side. So you have to work from their team. Whenever you're talking to them, instead of saying, I'm going to do this to you and this is going to be helpful for you, you're going to say, we are going to do this for the business and it's going to be helpful for us. And this is our strategy. So you have to put yourself in their team and let them know that you are one of them. And that's how you are part of their business. And trust me, when you are a part of their business, they will think twice before canceling the subscription, or at least they will have a conversation with you. For example, let's say if they couldn't pay for this month, instead of canceling with you, they will just let you know that, okay, we are a bit tight on budget. Can we start back from the next month? So this is the difference. Instead of losing this client, you get to give them like a month off so that they can keep on paying from the next month. From your perspective, you're just losing, let's say, $500 for this month. But if you didn't do this, you're going to lose this client, and the lifetime value of this client is really high compared to this measly 500. And yeah, usually I do this with WhatsApp. So I have two different WhatsApp, one for my business and one for my personal. In my business WhatsApp, I have all of my clients. And that's how I have a conversation with each one of them once or twice a month. I send them messages like, hey, how's everything going on? Do you have any issues? Do you need some, if you need some help, let me know. Copy and paste all these messages to all the clients, because in the business WhatsApp, they're only my clients. So this is how you organize everything. Again, if you're just starting out with GoHighLevel, or if you have been using GoHighLevel to deliver services but stuck with 2 to 3 clients, if you sign up with my link, and if you already have GoHighLevel, and if you can switch your affiliate under my name where you don't have to pay me anything, just switching your affiliate under mine, where you get to access my community. And as you can see, it's 2 days ago, my affiliate member closed his first client for first high ticket client for £1,000 and for £300 hosting fee. 4,000 monthly recurring revenue, sold his first website for 750, 6,000 collected, another 1,000 for website, and 197, and keeps on. We have lots of wins. And inside the classroom, this is where you get to access the Facebook meta ads. So the actual ads I'm running and actual ad creatives I'm using to run my ads to get all these cheap leads for $5, $7 or $6. This is how you get access to it. And if you want to do cold outreach, this is the client acquisition strategy, and I have the sales call, the snapshots where you get to access all the automation, and this sales deck, which everything is inside the community. And just wanted to show you that this guy just switched his affiliate under mine, and he started running ads, and he started getting each lead for $7. These $7 leads can turn into 97, 297 to 497 clients, and he's getting it everything for free just because he switched his affiliate under mine. You can either become an affiliate to get all these benefits and start closing more clients just like my affiliate members are doing, or if you want my personalized help setting up everything, because I'm setting up my coaching members ad account just like this, I take care of everything, like setting up the ad account, setting up the ad creative, setting up the funnel, setting up the automation and the website, and you just have to go inside the sales call and make use of my sales script to close these clients. As you can see, 30 leads, and for 3 leads for €4 each. And if you want this personalized setup from me, you can just click on the first thing in the description and book an onboarding call. And if I can feel like I can help you, we can start working together, and you can start closing clients just like my coaching members and community members. And if you want to know how to switch affiliates, you can message me on Instagram, which is also linked in the description. And I hope you got some value out of this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.